Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a watermark for YouTube videos in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, go to your YouTube channel and click on Customize Channel. This will open YouTube Studio. Scroll down to Video Watermark. This appears in the bottom right corner of your videos. You can choose to display it at the end, a custom time, or throughout the entire video. Now let's create one in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click Create a Design at the top and choose a square format. You can use the Instagram post preset, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Once the editor opens, click on Elements and search for Video. Select a free icon, then customize its color. Click the background, change its color to red, and center the icon on the canvas. To add text, go to Text on the left, click Add a Heading, and type something like Subscribe. Resize it using the toolbar or type a number. Change the font, make it bold, and set the color to white. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then Download. Save it as a PNG, return to YouTube Studio, click Change under Watermark, upload your design, and click Publish. So that's basically how you can make a watermark for YouTube videos in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.